subscribers. If you don't subscribe for get notified about all our videos. Hit the red button of subscribe. And today topic is how to use hard disk as RAM in all version of Windows. Let's see. There are 10 steps. You can also take a screenshot of that for the future use. Let's add this. First one is right click on my computer, then click properties, click on advanced system setting. Fourth one is under performance, click on advanced tab, under performance click setting, then click on advanced, then click on under virtual memory change, then click on uncheck this automatically manage paging file for all drives, then click on custom size, then select the drive select the size which you want to share. Want to share 4 GB. As you can see, there is 1.94 TB space is available in it. I am just select A drive and select 4096 means 4 GB. Then click on set. Then click OK. Then it may require restart. And you can also see after restart it will become 1.93 and use as a RAM. Thanks for watching this video, friend.